today I'm going to take this bottle and I'm going to see what I can make for a little fall decor. I want to maybe use this color. Let's just see. Okay. Let's see what we can make with this tool. We're gonna wrap it. Ooh. See something? Maybe I'm gonna put this in white. Let's see. Let me see if I should wrap this in white, or I want to keep this in green. My coworker gave me this. Let's see what I can do with it. Let's create something special. I've never worked with white tulle before. It's called tulle. But I'm just gonna wrap this around a little bit. I guess just go around and around. I don't have a specific idea. My mom always tells me to just create and let the shape take its form, like the decoration take its form. I'm just gonna lift this, and then I can put like maybe, I'm letting the hot glue gun get hot, but perhaps it gives it an undertone. This is so pretty. I wonder if I should do it like this. I know what you're thinking. That doesn't look like much of anything. But it's gonna look beautiful, I promise. Watch. Hey, little ribbon, you stay over there. And I'm not cutting because I'm just like creating a little bit and see what I can create. This can be a vase and put some real flowers, some fake flowers. I just want to know what we're creating. I'm just pinching it right now. You hear my son scream for death. I'm just doing little loops. Then I'm turning it around. It's definitely going to be a vase. So we found the what is it? It's going to be a vase. I'm going to use all of it. We are here with it. So now that we have this here, right? Maybe we'll take a little piece of, I have this ribbon I found on clearance for $2 in Michael's. Wired ribbon. Let me see how that looks. Yes, boo. Glue gun is a little bit You see something like this and you put flowers in it. But we're not done yet. Oh. Voila.